Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1962 Oldsmobile Starfire made in an 18th scale by Road Signature Models. So this is a very nice looking car, so if you like those cars, please give me a thumbs up and see this video thoroughly. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell for news. So let's unbox this car and take a better look at it. Okay, and here we have our Oldsmobile. That's a 1962 Old Starfire, made by Signature Models in a very nice color. I think this color is actually a maroon. As we look at the front, we can see this very nice grille, this very nice front. That's typical of the 1960s Olds. The old grille, license plate, headlights, and the Oldsmobile logo, and the ornament, the windshield wipers. They look very nice. As we pop the hood open, there's a spring mechanism and the hinges. We can see this very nice engine bay with the engine, which is a ultra high compression engine for Oldsmobile Starfire, and the engine bay itself, which is very nice. Water intake, the hoses, air conditioning, the oil intake, and all details. The hood itself, the hinges, the front panel, which are very well made. Not as good as Highway 61, as well as this hood, which closes correctly. Lines of this car are very nice, and this chrome trim looks nice. The color looks very nice. The painting job is good. Starfire logo, and the wheels and tires. Bumper looks very realistic. And this trim, actually is all formed by different pieces. And this trim on the door, it reminds of an air intake, the mirror. And as we open the passenger door by the handle, we can see the lock. The door is a little pain to open, but it opens and closes correctly. Opens like the real car door. And interior looks very nice in this color. The windows open and close, roll down, roll up and down. The headliner, dashboard, central console, the seat, they are actually buckets. We can see the carpet, the cushions, door that closes correctly. It's a little gap, but it's not a big issue, really. The trim looks very nice. The antenna goes up and down. It's made of metal. It looks very nice. Those roof lines with the logo right here. The rear of this car with those 4 oval taillights, they're actually painted on chrome, so they shine through. And this edge here, that looks very good. I like those fins. Exhaust, the license plate, and the trunk. As we open the trunk lid, we can see the very nice looking trunk with a spare tire, the carpet inside, the jack, and it's all made in carpet inside, and it's all fabric. The trunk lid is good and closes correctly. The rear deck looks very nice. The seat. And as we open the driver's door, we can take a better look at the interior. We can see the steering wheel, steers actually, the pedals, the door, the pedals, gas brake and parking brake, the carpet inside, windows that roll down. They don't have a mechanism just like the GMP, but they roll down, which is nice. Lines of this car look very nice indeed. And shutting the door, it shuts correctly. The trim around the windows look very nice. The color is really awesome. And the bottom of a car, which is a body and frame, front suspension, the engine, drive shaft, rear axle, rear suspension, the gas tank. There's a dual exhaust in the back, but it's got a single muffler. And from 0 to 10, I'd give it a 9. It's got some issues, such as some little gaps that could be improved. Since this car is not very expensive, we cannot expect as much from it as we expect from a Highway 61, but it's still a very nice model, and there's room for some improvement. So I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments. Please don't forget to give me your thumbs up, to subscribe my channel, to click the bell for news, and stay tuned for the next videos. They're about to come. I'd like to thank you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.